Hey loves, welcome back to my space. If you're in here, thank you so much for dropping by. If you're in OG, I see you. Hey, it's already Christmas month, like it's the first day of the last month of the year. Hey, see what I did there? See what I did there? Anyway, we're going to do a Christmas decor. We're going to create a Christmas decor with these items. These are stamps. Those small circles are tree stamps. And then we have yarns, we have scissors, we have rulers, skewers, and cardboard, and our glue gun. So what you're going to do, you're going to create mini Christmas trees. And simple thing, we are going to just draw on this board, have a triangle, make a triangle. For me, I did a very mini one, 15 inches, 15 centimeters length. Is it length? 15 centimeters. Yeah, the height of the tree is 15 centimeters. So for you, you can go in with as much as you want, depending on what size of a tree you want. So yes, we're making those triangles. This is just a very simple mini tree for your Christmas, just to bring that vibe, because it's already December. It's already December, and you know what? The weird fact about December is once it's 1st of December, we're already talking about Christmas. Not that it's not Christmas. Everyone will be telling you like it's December and Christmas, but it's just 1st or 2nd of December. But I know some of you have your trees already decorated. Some of you, your trees were up in mid-November. It's all right. It's all right. The lazy us who are waiting to have our trees maybe Oko 20th. We're trying to create mini ones. Yeah, we're just bringing that vibe, the Christmas vibe. So with these small mini triangles, we are going to make a mini tree with yarns. Don't forget, we're using yarns. These are very affordable materials. Yeah. So what you're going to do, we take our small triangle once you're done cutting, and then you're going to glue down skewers. Skewers will work as holders. Yeah. They'll work as the stem of the tree. They'll work as, the stems. So you just fix like that. Be gentle when you're using your glue gun. Let me repeat. I've done this for the whole year. Like, I've realized this whole year I've been doing DIYs. I've been telling you, be gentle with this, be gentle with this, be gentle with glue gun. So yes, we are done. Once you're done, again, glue gun comes in. We're going to attach our thread. The secret about attaching your thread as the skewers, from the skewers, is that you don't have a raw edge. Do you see what I did there? I fixed it from the bottom, so I won't have a raw edge at the top. Do you get that? Do you get that? Anyway, once you're done, you're going to wrap the cardboard. Yeah, our triangle cardboard, we are going to wrap it all the way down. You can use glue gun as I did. This yarn is the macrame yarn. Yeah, they are heavy, they are very thick. This one, I decided to glue it down, like not too much, just add like a small nini of glue somewhere in between, yeah, so that it holds vizuri. Be gentle when you're using glue gun. Also, be keen when you're wrapping this yarn, yeah. Be very keen, because if you skip or you create some large gaps, it won't look that nice. It won't look that nice. But again, don't worry, you got this. You got this. So we're going to create this mini tree, as I said. If you've already decorated your house, this one you must have. You just go back to the drawing board, go back and do this DIY, because Likia got you. This one is a vibe, trust me. I know by now you're asking, aya, na sasa kataka aje? Oh, anga. Don't worry, patience pays. Yeah. Kizungu, losungu. But anyway, I'm super grateful that we're already at the end of the year. Like, this is the last month of this year. This year hasn't been that good, but again, it's ending at a higher note for me, and I'm super happy because you guys have been there supporting me all this time. So to my subscribers, to my OGs, thank you so much. I see you guys. If you're watching this video and you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Can you just go back and subscribe? Yeah. But anyway, don't leave this video. Watch until the end, and then you'll subscribe. I believe in you. I trust you. So I know once you're done with the video, you will hit that subscription box. Yes, that subscription box. It's a red one, yeah? And also hit the bell. So guys, we continue with our wrapping. Just wrap. As I said, be gentle with the glue gun, and also don't leave too much spaces. Don't leave spaces. Just make them close as you can, and you will love this. Like once you're done with this, you'll have cute Christmas decor. For me, I'm going to gift someone these. Yeah, these ones, the ones that I'm doing now, are mine. They're mine, but I'm also doing another one for someone else who made an order. So if you're there and you want these pieces for your Christmas decor, just holla. Just tell me on the comment section, and I'll get to you. We'll figure out how these ones will get to you, or yeah, this masterpiece, because this art is amazing. These are just mini tree. This one, decorating for Christmas is a family bonding activity. So I feel like this one you can do with your small sisters, small brothers. Your shosho can do this, your buka can do this, your friends, your family. Like you can just do this DIY as a bonding activity, because why not? Like, who doesn't want cute pieces in their houses? For me, once I was done with this, I was like, yo, do I really need a bigger tree? Because this art looked amazing. So yeah, make sure this year you do this DIY with someone, because you're decorating for Christmas. As I said, make sure you do it with your friends, your siblings, your aunties, your relatives, like your totos. If you have kids, make sure you do this with your kids. Just involve them in decorating your house. Yeah, involve them in decorating. If you're lazy and you don't decorate for Christmas, these ones will save you. If you don't want that big tree, this one will save your life. This one will transform your space. Like, and the best thing about this one is that they are table trees. Yeah, they don't need a bigger place. Like you can just place them on your table, where you're placing your nakulia at the edge. A study table somewhere, like a random table that you have in your house, or like a random stool at the corner. You just place them there, and they'll give you this vibe. Like, you love it. Trust me, you love it. So once you're done wrapping, once you're at the bottom of this, here is where your glue gun comes in, to make sure that they stick together. For me, as you can see, that cardboard wasn't that straight. You can see it wasn't that straight, but it served the purpose. So here is where your glue gun comes in handy, because you're going to make sure that the thread the thread has been held down. Yeah, so you add your glue gun and then you cut, and you're done. See that tree? You're done with part one of this is done. So for me, I was like, I needed this, and this, as you can tell, this thread is off-white. So I also needed a white one. And then as I was doing this, I was like, I can do a green one. So for me, I was like, hey, trees are green, hey, trees are green. So I brought in the green yarns. But as you can see, this tree, I won't show you the whole process because you've already done. As you can see with this one, I did, after I was done with the straight wrapping, I did some zigzag wrapping, like it random. These ones were random, so you can see napitisha tu uzi juu, and it gave this tree some vibe. Akiona, done with the straight lines, done with the straight wrapping, and then you just do this one, this crisscrossing the thread. It gives volume to the tree. Also, it gives the tree some vibe. So you can see there's a difference between this one and the other one, because this one has some zigzag, or some random crisscrossing of yarns, and we're done with that. So see that tree? Like, I feel like this green gave me much vibe. It gave me some sweetness. in all these. Yeah, this green, like, it worked good for me, like it worked best for me. So we're done. So I have green, I have off-white, and I also have white. Yes, I have 3 of them, and there you go. Then I decided to accessorize these, because accessories come in handy, and a star is everything for Christmas. Because Jesus alikuwa watu temenye Jesus azaliwa, watu walioneshwa direction na stars. Like when Jesus was born, the star was the career, what is it called, the direction giver. So why not include a star? I brought my star. Hey, see that, this star is made of cardboard, and then I spray painted silver because I just wanted that vibe. So for the others, I decided to bring in beads and mesh. What is it called? This glittered mesh. I've used it on so many of my DIYs. I know you've seen it, but now I didn't use it as a mesh on the green one. I just cut small to piece. You see, and then I attached. Decorating these trees is all about your creativity, so you can do whatever you want with these accessories. You can place them wherever you want. So for me, I just did a random fix. You see that? See that tree? Like, yo, who doesn't want to do this for your Christmas decor? Who doesn't want to do this? Because me, I love this. I love the action. I love the way they look. Like, I gave myself that kanini, cut up on the shoulder, and was like, yo, this one looks good, because, yo, you can tell my Christmas is like, hey, that table at the corner, me dasjuka ndaziekelea, lakini they look so good. I have them. I don't know where I'll place them, but once these were done, I was like, yo, I already have a tree. I already have 2 mini trees. Like, yo, it's already Christmas, yeah? My decors are screaming Christmas, Christmas, Christmas. And then once I was done, I could hear the jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle bells. You know, you know that Christmas vibe, yeah? So once you're done with decorating, here is where our wood stamps come in. These ones were cut from the branch. Just have a random branch, thick one, and then you cut. Those ones were, I was gifted those ones by my sister, because she did a DIY with them. So the remaining she gave me. And that's where nikadungilia msumari. I just drilled a hole in the middle, same size with the skewers, and then I did that. Guys, oh my loves, see that, see those trees, like, see. Ay, what can I say? Do you have anything to say after seeing this? I love them. Thank you so much for watching. Till next time, bye bye, Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays. I love you.